One moment please, just getting ready. Hello, welcome to the Green Club. Today, gonna make a screen divider so that when the dolls get dressed, they can have their little, oh I need to get dressed. It's pretty easy. From my lollipop sticks, as usual, the 15cm by 2cm ones. I have a little diagram of what you need to make one panel. I've started off with 3 already. I'm going to make another panel and I'm going to make that in a minute. I did try to make it, I've made it with one level. I did try to make it with 2, but it didn't really, came out too thick, as you can see. So I'm gonna, there's the diagram. We need 4 sticks of 13cm or 5 inches, 1 stick cut in half, 3 inch, just over 3 inches and a bit, and 7.5cm. And the 2 little bits left from the outside, 2cm and the 3/4 of an inch little bits, I used them to connect the poles, or connect the sticks I should say. I should put that up there for a moment so you've got the diagram, the plan, and I'll get started. It's pretty easy. So I've got all my bits here ready to go, and then I cut a piece of material and I got some pillows through, and it had a big plastic bag with some material on it, and rather than throw it away I thought I'd reuse it. And I thought the doll craft would be quite useful to use it for. So I'll start off with my lolly stick, blob at the end, and then I want to cement this to it as hard as possible, press as firm as possible. Remember, glue gun's very hot to work with. And then we want to connect the other piece of stick. So try and get it as level as possible and as straight as possible, and then do the same again. And then cement it as hard as you can. So I say cement it, I should say glue it. And then try and get it as level as you can, as straight as you can. Right, so there's our 2 lengths, and then I glue 7.5 to the top of the long stick, so we get our door frame. I always remember to keep so we got a nice frame. Oops, wrong side. So you want them as level as possible. It only takes a second to dry with glue gun. That's it, and then I've got my frame ready. Then all I do is I glue my little piece of material, my little piece of recycled material to the frame. Make sure it's all stuck down. And there you go. There's one of your panels. One panel ready. And then I'm just going to use the same material. I've got 3 pieces. And as you can see, I've already, just as door joints, we only need it to turn a little bit or to hold up. So I'll glue them on to show you. And then you want to get them as nice as level as possible, the door frames. Remember, go careful, glue gun can be very hot. There we go. Excuse me a moment, just getting changed. I think it come out quite well. And then you can, like what I did with, I painted it black and found Barbie. I had some Barbie fashion packs and I cut the Barbie off of that and stuck them on each door. I think it looks quite good. Anyway, I hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Bye.